Crazy Eights Life, and I have my second thread up box. Okay guys, I went ahead and paused that video for a second because this tape was on here really well. But we're gonna go ahead and open this thread up box. This is a list of the items and the prices. You get 10 items in the box. There is a $20 styling fee that is added on to any item that you would keep, or taken off of any item that you would keep. So you have 7 days to try on the clothes and see if there's anything that you would like, and you can mail the rest back. There should be an envelope in here, and there is a return address label. I actually think that in ThredUp that you use the box and you just stick the return label on the box and take it to either UPS or the post office and ship it back. All right, so ThredUp. All right, so ThredUp is a secondhand type clothing subscription box. And honestly, I don't even think they send it monthly. I think you just kind of order one whenever you want one. I will put the description and more information down in the description box below the video. So if you want to know more information, then you can just go down there and it should all be in there. But right now, let's go ahead and see what we have in this box. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out these items. But later in the video when I'm trying on, I will put the prices next to the try on. Ooh, these feel super nice. This is a pair of dress leggings, and they are by Madewell, size 4. And I'm gonna pull these out in order, I'm sorry. So the next thing we have is a Bound size medium green sweater, kind of a mint green sweater. I feel like maybe this sweater is a little short for me. I'm not sure. We'll have to see what it looks like on. I definitely don't typically wear any kind of cropped tops. And then we have a Saks Fifth Avenue Folio collection. This is a cardigan. Again, I'm not sure that this is my style, but it is really good quality. It's cute. I just not sure that it's necessarily me. But the next thing we have is a Highland Park by Material Girls. Okay, this is a sweater. It has a kind of, I don't know what you call that. I should probably know. Where it's longer on the sides and kind of shorter in the middle. I really do like this color. It's a V-neck. I like V-necks. The quality is great. I'm not sure I'm going to like the sides like that. I know there's a name for this. I don't know what it is. But I'm not sure I will like that on me. And then along with that, we have some gray leggings with a thick, stretchy, elastic waistband. I think these are leggings. They're again like a dress, kind of a dressier style legging. And this is a Michael Kors sweater in teal, kind of a longer tunic style sweater. Not sure again if that will be me. It has some zipper details on the side. Next is a Columbia zipped jacket. It looks nice. I like Columbia. I don't know if I like these kind of quilted pockets, but we'll see once they're on. It has kind of quilting on the arm here, and it has some quilting on the pockets and up around the shoulders here. And then another, this looks like, I don't know what this is. Okay, this is a kind of, I guess, a vest coat. It's not cardigan material, so it is like a heavier material. I would say more like a jacket, but it's sleeveless, and it's kind of a wool type material. And I mean, we'll see. This is definitely not something that I would ever pick out for myself. So we'll have to see if I like it better than I think I will. All right, so here we have some Talbot's Petite joggers in kind of a tan. And then we have one more item. It is a Tommy Hilfiger V-neck striped gray sweater. All right, guys, so that's it for all of the items in this box. I'm going to go try them on real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so the first thing we have is the Madewell black pants. They fit like leggings. They are very snug everywhere. They have pockets in the back here. They are really long on me, but I'm short, so pretty much all of the pants that I have gotten from ThredUp have been too long on me, and these are no different. This sweater is from Abound. It's just a pullover sweater, and actually I feel like on the camera it looks a darker green. It's really like a mint green with the dark green speckles throughout. It's comfortable. It feels like it's made well. It's in good shape. I feel like for my taste, it's a little bit too short right here. But it's not bad, especially with some high-waisted jeans or something. All right, guys. So right now I have on I should look at this before I get on here, but I never do. The Women's Inc. International Concepts casual pants. Elastic band up here, which kind of holds everything in tight. I am not a real huge legging person. I just haven't really ever gotten into wearing them. I've tried, I just don't. So, I don't know, but with this sweater, it's, you know, plenty long. So it kind of hides everything that it needs to. This is a Michael Kors pullover sweater with a zipper detail down the side. The color, I mean, the color is good. It's a comfortable sweater. It's in good condition. There's no strings or holes or anything that I can see anywhere. So this is outfit number 2. I will be back with the next outfit. All right, guys, so I've been trying to figure out what this sweater is on the list, and I am assuming the only thing that's kind of unaccounted for, it says assorted brands pullover sweater. I am not going over all the prices, but they will be listed in the video. It's lower up. It has the it goes down longer on the sides and then kind of up, but not up too far in the back. It is a V-neck sweater. I feel like it's a little big, like my shoulders. This keeps wanting to slide down. All right, guys, so this is the Tommy Hilfiger sweater, V-neck. I still have them on with my own jeans. And again, the prices will be listed. All right, next we have the Columbia zip-up hoodie. It's kind of I don't know, I guess a dusty blue color. Has the quilted pockets. Again, the quilted by the arms and the shoulders. All right, so this is from Talbot's. It says Talbot's vest. This is a vest. It's not my style. That's all I gotta say. I was like, I don't even know what to put this with. I find it to be itchy. I do not like this woolly type material anywhere near my skin. My skin is sensitive. So even just up around my neck right now, I'm already itching. So that's that. All right, guys, so this is the Saks Fifth Avenue cardigan. And again, I don't know what in this box I was supposed to really put this with. It doesn't really go with this sweater, I don't think. I kind of tried to tuck them up so you can see just the cardigan. Again, it's just not my style. So, okay guys, so the last item that we have are actually these joggers. They are from Talbot's, I believe. Yes, women's Talbot's sweatpants. And they are in like a tan, light tan. They are super comfy, I have to say. This is just an Old Navy Henley pullover. All right, guys, so that was it for this thredUP box. They do not total up the retail price on this and then the actual price. So I will figure that out, and I will also put that on the video so that you can kind of see the price comparison. But other than that, that's it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.